Conditioned pacers lined up for tonight's third race. Kicks off the first pick 3 in the program. The run gate, and the gate is rolling. Number 9, Roland Tear, has gapped the gate, and they are off. Electrician is off stride at the start. Willie Fast is off to a really fast beginning. Sir Johnny Colt protects the inside there for Scott McQuinn as they barrel into that opening turn. It's Willie Fast, the Meadows Invader, who is looking for the early lead. Sir Johnny Colt came away on his back in second. Those two are 4 lengths clear of Perfect Truth. The 2-year-old filly is gapped early now in third. It's another length back along the inside to Town Believer, away in fourth. 2 more back to Jack and Water from fifth. The Hit Lady is a 6th through an opening quarter of 28-3. It's about 8 more back to Roland Tear. Came away in 7th, and Electrician is the trailer after the early miscue. So a strung out crew here as they race past the 3/8 marker and towards the half. It is Willie Fast calling the shots on top at odds of 2-1. And now Andrew Naser will look for a second quarter breather. He's still yet to face any pressure. Sir Johnny Colt with a perfect pocket ride from second. Perfect Truth is tightened up in third. Town Believer still along the inside fourth as Jack and Water moves to the outside from fifth, and the Hit Lady picks up the cover from sixth. The race through the half in 59-1, 30-3 for that second quarter. Willie Fast continues to lead them back onto the far turn. Sir Johnny Colt been second all the way. Perfect Truth, the lone 2-year-old, still sits tightly there along the inside third. Jack and Water going to have to pick it up first over from fourth. Town Believer nowhere to go along the inside from fifth. The Hit Lady sent 3 wide from sixth. They race midway around the far turn. Willie Fast is starting to tire a bit on the front end through 3 quarters, 131 even. Sir Johnny Colt is now taking over out in the center of the track. The Hit Lady moves up on the far outside, and Perfect Truth is looking to dive down to the inside late for Gerald. Sir Johnny Colt is under a drive. The Hit Lady down the center of the track. Perfect Truth up the inside late. Town Believer is fourth as they drive to the finish. The Hit Lady looking to put the hit on Sir Johnny Colt. Sir Johnny Colt fights back. The Hit Lady. Sir Johnny Colt held off the Hit Lady, who finished second. Perfect Truth was a game third. Jack and Water finished fourth in 2 minutes and 4/5. The Hit Lady